Is this the way modern and civilized society is disposing of their rubbish? Just follow me and you will see what I mean. And you will see what I mean. Civilized society, modern society. We pay our service fees every month. Every week they come and take away the rubbish. But this is a way we still... Yes, this is bad. Very bad.